So welcome students. So in this question, it's given that a line is drawn through the point 1, 2 to meet the coordinate axis at points P and Q. And you're asked to find the slope of PQ so that the area of triangle OPQ is minimum. So the area of triangle OPQ has to be minimum. What should be the slope of PQ? Again, a very straightforward question. So first, let us assume a general line through 1, 2. So let us take that the slope of this line is m. So if the slope of this line is m, what is the equation of this line? Y minus 2 is equal to m times x minus 1 is the equation of this line. Now, for this slope m corresponding to the slope m, what is the area of this triangle? The area of this triangle depends on the x-intercept and y-intercept, right? Because the area is half into x-intercept into y-intercept. So what is the x-intercept of this? So if I want the x-intercept, I just need to put y is equal to 0. That is nothing but minus 2 by m plus 1. That's the x-intercept. So the y-intercept is nothing but, so you just need to put x is equal to 0. So you have minus m plus 2. Minus m plus 2. That's the y-intercept. Now, what is the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle is half times x-intercept into y-intercept. So the area is equal to half times x-intercept is, if you take the LCM, m minus 2 by m. M minus 2 by m. Into y-intercept is 2 minus m. 2 minus m. So this implies area is equal to half times m minus 2 whole square by m with a minus sign. If you are looking for just the magnitude, you can just neglect this. So m minus 2 whole square by m. That's what the area depends on. So you want the minimum area. I want the A minimum. So I'll just differentiate this with respect to m and equal it to 0. So what is dA by dm is equal to, so in the denominator you have m square. So m times the differentiation of m minus 2 whole square is 2 times m minus 2. 2 times m minus 2 minus of m minus 2 whole square is equal to 0. So this implies you have an m minus 2 common, m minus 2 times 2m, m minus 2 common times 2m minus of m minus 2 is equal to 0. So m minus 2 times 2m minus m is m plus 2 is equal to 0. m minus 2 times m plus 2 is equal to 0. This implies m is equal to either 2 or minus 2. So when m is equal to either 2 or minus 2, you have critical points. So now let us put the values of m is equal to 2 and m is equal to minus 2. So as you can see, if you have m is equal to 2, you're getting area is equal to 0. So if m is equal to 2, the area is 0. That means the line passes through origin. Both x-intercept and y-intercept become 0. So m is equal to 2 obviously is not the right answer. So if m is equal to minus 2, if m is equal to minus 2, we have area is equal to minus half times minus 2 whole square. That is 4 square is 16 by m is minus 2. That is equal to 4 square units. So that's the minimum area, and that happens when m is equal to minus 2. Thank you.